Okay, so you have to explain and you have to show. Okay, good. All right. Now the last couple things I want to share with you, which are really important, because when you get done your paragraph, this is the very same paragraph I just shared with you, and it shows you several different things. It shows you how this whole paragraph should look like, indenting, and then I have my topic sentence, my first point example, my second point, my example, my third point, my example, and my concluding sentence. Those are the 8 parts. Okay? This is what the paragraph should look like when it's done. Now I highlighted these parts to let you know these are identifiers. The identifiers are for you guys to make sure you have all 8 parts. Yes?
I have to go.
Okay. Could you hold on for just 1 second?
Okay.
Just 1 second. I'm almost done.
Great.
Okay. There are 8 parts here. You're going to put those identifiers in. Every single paragraph, those have to be in. Every single paragraph, including final drafts. First draft, second draft, third draft, final drafts, type drafts, whatever. You have to put the identifiers in. And I also highlighted in blue the transitions. We're going to talk more about transitions here in just a moment. Okay? But those have to be in there. I just wanted you to get that book before you took off so that you made sure when you got to your paragraph that you had these parts in them, all 8 parts, and you know what they are. I expect them in every single paragraph, and you have your transitions.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for staying, and have a great day. Okay?
Thank you. See
All right.
you tomorrow.
All righty. See you, Brooke. Thank you very much. Now, the other thing that I want you guys to see is that I've highlighted here as well. So you have your identifiers. These are all 8 parts, so that you know you have your 8 parts. See you, Brooke. Thank you. And you need to put these in every single draft you write or type. There's no excuses. You lose points for not having those in there in any draft. Okay? Bless you. I'm not looking for perfection in your writing in a first draft, but I am looking for you to have your identifiers. I'm also looking for you to have transitions in there. And at the bottom of your pre-writing sheet, you'll see the transitions there that you can pick for the point sentences. They'll always be there in the bottom of your pre-writing sheets, which I'll share with you in just a moment, or in the next lesson. But you can also go in the red packet that I gave you, which is the writing packet, which is also on my webpage, so you can see the different types of transitions you can use. All right? The rest of this I want you to read if you're going to be typing it, and we'll get the titles later on, and what the third person means, and so on and so forth. But these are all 8 parts of the paragraph that you are responsible to know, and you're going to have to know them like the back of your hand. The 8 parts are your topic sentence, your first point, your example, your second point, your example, your third point, your example, and your concluding sentence. And I said something about 3. Why is 3 important? Max?
Because you need 3 points in your, pretty much every single, from your topic sentence to your concluding sentence.
Each one of them is broken down 3 times. So remember that. When you're writing this, you have to make sure, did I put the 3 parts of the topic sentence, the 3 parts of the point sentence, the 3 parts of the example sentence, and 3 parts of the concluding sentence in there? Because then you'll know you've been doing everything you're supposed to be doing, have all those identifiers in, so you know you have all parts, you're not skipping anything, and don't forget those transitions. All that's worth points when you're doing your drafts. Does anyone have any questions about that? Okay, so that's the basic parts of the paragraph and how the paragraph is broken down. So the next time we're going to be together, we're going to actually try to apply it. We're going to take the multiple intelligences packet that we did. We're going to look at the last page, we're going to break it down. And if you do really well on that, writing your first paragraph is going to be a breeze. Anyone have any questions? Okay, thank you very much.